Mwaramutseho, muraho, mwiriwe, biterwa naho uherereye. Ndabashuhuje, ni Kamukama ku gihozo cyacu TV. Turacyari mu isomo ryacu ry'icyongereza. Uyu munsi tugiye kureba amakosa abiri abantu bakunda gukora mu cyongereza, n'abakize n'abakizi. Natwe twese dukora ayo makosa kubera kutabyitaho neza. Turebe ayari mu by'ukuri mu rurimi. Abantu benshi bajya bakunda gukora amakosa, tugasanga arakorwa buri munsi, ariko mu by'ukuri akwiye gukosoka. Turebe urugero. Umuntu akubajije ngo do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Ese ngo ufite ikaramu? Ufite ikaramu? Rero hari abajya bakunda guhita bavuga ngo yes I have, ariko bakoresheje do. Uwabajije yavuze ngo do you have a pen? Noneho usubije ngo yes I have. Ni ibintu abantu bakunda gukoresha cyane, kandi kuko ushyize mu Kinyarwanda avuga ngo yego ndayifite, ariko mu Cyongereza ubu byinshi wagombye kuvuga ngo yes I do. When a question starts with do, also answer using do. Turabyo kuko umva ushyizemo have kandi batangije na do. Ikibazo ni kivuga ngo do you have a pen? Uyifite vuga ngo yes I do. Yes I do. Ntabwo ari yes I have. Yego ndayifite. Do you have a book? Yes I have. Wrong. Yes I do. Do you have money? Yes I have. Wrong. Yes I do. Birumvikana. Akakari. Umuntu ashaka kukubwira ati are you happy? Ese urishimye? Are you happy? Urishimye? Ushobora guhita uvuga ngo yes I do. Oya, kirapfuye. Yes I do kirapfuye. Ni yes I am. When you ask a question using verb to be, ugomba gusubiza using verb to be nanone. Are you happy? Yes I do. Wrong. Kirapfuye. Yes I am. Are you going to school? Yes I am. Are you hungry? Yes I am. Now very yes I do. When a question starts with the verb to be, always answer with the verb to be. So don't make these mistakes again. Do you have a pen? Don't say yes I have. Say yes I do, because the question starts with a do. And when someone asks you, are you happy? Don't say yes I do, because it starts with the verb to be. Answer also with the verb to be and say yes I am. Murakoze, mwari kumwe na Kamukama ku gihozo cyacu TV.